fix highlights not loading on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with highlights that are not loading. In my case, I have a lot of Add Yours stickers, a lot of highlights with Add Yours stickers, and these old ones are not loading. And I will show you if I click on an old highlight, not this one. As you can see, this highlight is not loading. Neither this highlight is not loading. So how can you fix this? You have to go to the newest highlight and click on it. In my case is this one. And now you have to get through all these stories that the highlight has, and then to get to the second one, if it's not loading the second highlight, like I said, you have to get through all these stories, and once the last story it's finishing, it will go to the next highlight automatically. And now, as you can see, this highlight has only one story left, and then it will get to the other highlight. And if you are not able to, if that highlight is not loading, like I said, you have to get through all these highlights, through all these stories, and go through a highlight to the other one, just like this. Go through all the stories, and now they will load. They didn't load because the highlight has too many stories and it's blocking. So you just have to go through the first one and then all of them will load. Now I will try to go to that first highlight that was not loading and show it to you guys that now it's working. Just like this you have to do. Tap on each highlight, on each sticker. As you can see, this highlight has many stories, and this is why it's blocking. You have to go through all the stories just like this. Tap, 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 and then at the end you will be able to see the highlight. These stories are made 39 weeks ago, so it's a long time ago. Just like this, you have to go through all of them. So now, as you can see, this highlight is loading. You can see all of my stories. Tap, 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 and now all the highlights are loading. Once we will go through the end, I think this is the last highlight I have. So once you will finish with all the highlights, you will be able to click on every highlight. As you can see, that was my last highlight. This one is working now, also this one, also this one. Every highlight it's opening. Just like this, as you can see, it's working now. All of them are loading. You just have to refresh them a little bit because Instagram is blocking. So yeah guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel for more updates, for more videos about this topic, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.